Alright everyone, we are getting ready to do our timing belt change. So here are the items we have for a timing belt change. So we're going to do the spark plugs. These are NGK on part number, and there's a barcode. So we have 6 of them. I bought this kit, AISIN, I think it's called, TKH-002. And then I bought a kit where it came with a accessory belt as well. So here's the part number. It's a Goodyear part number that came with this kit. So I guess they don't make their own belts, so they outsourced it out to this, maybe, I don't know. But here's the part number. I also ordered, go ahead and open this. So it has instructions, different, yeah, so Acura, it tells you how the belt is attached. Timing belt. So it's made by Mitsubishi, CD329, made in Thailand, do not crimp, and there's the part number. Let's see what else is in here. So AISIN water pump. It has the gasket already on there. A little sticker to put the date you changed the timing belt. Pulleys. So Koyo brand bearings. There's that part number. Made in Japan. There's the other part number. So I went ahead and ordered this separate. Let's go ahead and put this back in for now. So I bought the crank seal and the camshaft seal separate, but these are OEM. So here's the crank seal. There's the part number. Here's the camshaft seal. Part number. So 2 of these. These are OEM. And then what I try to do was I was trying to piece together a kit similar to the one that the factory Acura provides, and they have, it seems like they have a crank seal and both camshaft seals, but then the accessory belt was the one that was another add-on, I guess. And then normally I guess people don't do their spark plugs at the same time, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. But all right, well, let's go ahead and get started.